Good morning. Wednesday. Uh, a new week. I've been talk to y'all uh, since the 10 days ago. Oh my god. Alright. So, we're gonna dive right in, man. Of course, where we were, we was reading this. I'll just go here. We were reading this price action because this was swing high to swing low, correct? This what we was looking at. So we was looking at this as the retracement. Remember? So looking at this as impulsive and corrective, right? And then price retraced again and was up here in this snipe zone, which is also take profits of um this swing right here. You know what I mean? So we had this one, and then it came up into the higher, then reversed, didn't come into the take profits, and which created this expansion. Because when you look at it, price closed higher than this high. So looked at this as another swing to swing, and then this was the retracement. Price came down into these lows, and then uh, uh, previous day low and respected it, and then came for those highs, which came into the take profits, and which came into this snipe zone of this move. Now, I'm reading price action. Yes, I was reading it correctly with impulsive and corrective price action. But I was so sold on the selling that I started to overlook where price was at. Yes, it's all about price action and market structure, impulsive and corrective price action, and knowing what price has to do before encountering a continuation. Um, you just gotta be aware of where price is at, and I mean, it's not a secret. I've already said where price is at. That this is where we will be looking for price to encounter its continuation to the upside, right? But I was waiting on a impulsive and then corrective, right? And then um, okay. Then I was looking for a price to um, I wasn't looking for a price to break this 8 hour structure after this, this long impulsive move. You know what I mean? And then once price started to do this, I'm like, okay, yes, price is just retracing for a continuation to the downside to give another impulsive move. And it could just come here. It don't matter. But give an impulsive move and then sharply reverse to and break structure, right? And um off to the upside and, you know what I'm saying, give a continuation like that. That is what I was looking for. You know what I mean? Based on the price action that I was reading. You feel me? So, but understanding where price was at in this daily snipe zone, you know what I mean? This daily move here, you know what I mean? Swing to swing, and all of this is a retracement. It came down, kissed it, bump, but then also what? We got this weekly retracement. You feel me? So with price giving us this weekly retracement, we know why price sold here after coming up here and respecting previous week highs and started breaking down and targeting previous week lows. And then what I had already said, where are we at? We at the low of we're at the low of the weekly channel, which, you know, essentially price should respect because um this is the move, right? Impulsive corrective price action, incorrective price action, or in a bearish corrective price action or a bearish retracement, price creates highs and lows. And in order for price, you know, look, it's the same thing that I just showed over there on the 8 hour, right? Get this retracement. Price created this low. We want to see price dip down below this low and immediately reverse, creating a bullish candle pattern and breaking structure. And then that's right there. And then price up into the take profits. Off to the races. Yeah, man. I'm talking about uh, monthly take profit too up here. But, you know what I mean? Oh, uh, you feel me though? But, you know what I mean? That's the weekly. We know price should respect it. And what did price do? Boom. Take that. Immediately reverse. That's what we want to see. You feel me? Right? So, um, let me take that off. Go back here. What did price do? Boom. So price started to be bullish here. And that's what I was saying with or about reading price action, but knowing where price is at. Like we knew price was in this daily snipe zone. So and I knew that because I called it and I knew that you should be looking for a bullish price action here. But I was so hung on reading this. And this move here was the continuation to come into the 8 hour take profits here. Let me get this off. So it was this move, swing to swing, then retracement, continuation, coming into these 8 hour. Why? Come on, man. Uh, and it's here, right here, this move. So it came down into these 8 hour take profits. These 8 hour take profits is located where? Inside of this daily snipe zone, inside of this weekly bullish IPA. And when price is here, we want, and at this, the low channel or the low of this weekly channel, that price should be respected. We want to see price give us daily price action. Bullish price action. So when price got here, that is exactly what price gave us. And again, like I said, I was so hung on that I just like completely forgot, or it was completely blinded because I was so what you would say content on the sale that once you're sold on one way or another, you know what I'm saying, you make that mistake where you like you so focused that price is selling, or focus on price is selling, that um, price could be doing the total opposite thing and you not see it because you just focused on selling, that you're missing everything that the market is telling you, that we're not selling right now, we're buying. But price got here, and it's crazy because I was following it. I marked it up, but I was looking for price to take them highs and then reverse. And it was like when price got here, I seen it, and I was like, price respecting that previous day low again. I'm like, which still had me thinking price was coming here and going to sell, but I seen it, and that's why I was told myself, I'm like, man, if I would have just been focused on where price was at, because it's not like, I just need to see the picture. It's not like yeah, it's not like I didn't call this shit. Look, man, April 28th. Feel me? This ain't nothing new. This move. You know what I'm saying? That's I already been saying, like, this is where price, we could see price give this continuation because it's coming into a weekly bullish IPA and this daily snipe zone. Price, you know what I'm saying? Look, price came up. After, you know what I'm saying, dipping down, but with how I was reading price action, you know what I'm saying, I would have caught all this, and then if I would have continued to be aware of this, you know what I mean? But again, uh, I'm, but we seen all this, was reading it, and we caught this. Once price started doing what it was doing, we caught all this, and then boom, we started selling again. We caught that, and then, which is the continuation here, right here, after price came into this snipe zone, this bear snipe zone, sold off, coming into this, and then that should have been the end of it. We should have been boom, and that's exactly what we are getting here. The continuation. You feel me? Where, so I mean, I've been calling it, right? So real quick, understanding, like we see everything is identified, man. We got this swing to swing. Price sold with this bearish engulfing, and then what? Since price has been inside this bearish engulfing, we came up, respected the open, came down, boom, respected the close here, and then price, excuse me, again came down, dipped below the low here of this retracement, and now price. But once price respected the close of the April bearish engulfing here in June, um, like I called it, I'm like that price could be, you know what I mean? Price is still respecting previous monthly low, you know what I mean? And we got two of them here that has been respected and solidified, and now, you know what I mean? We getting this bullish price action inside of this. See what's going on. You know what I mean? Like impulsive corrective, boom, continuation. Yeah, price is getting ready. Or I mean price is going. You know what I mean? It's going up. Like you can just see. There's no ain't no games. Uh, June low right here. Boom. Those other monthly previous lows here. Respecting. Coming into this daily snipe zone. Inside of this weekly IPA. At this low of this weekly channel. And now since I mean uh we still got the rest of the week, but price is doing this and disrespecting previous week high, these will be targets. Just like when price reversed and was coming for previous week lows, came here. Now we're getting this continuation because what? When price gets here, this is what we want to see. We want to see price, as I said it in my previous video. When price is here, we want to see a reversal. We want to see price start to disrespect previous week high and respecting previous week low. So now, if we're getting that, then these are targets. All this red targets. You feel me? But yeah, we're gonna read price action. Get in the next time. It's looking like we're about to get the retracement. But you heard it here first, baby. Snipe goat. The candle reading guru. Tell your favorite trader's favorite trader. I'm on the